Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change phone number on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if you already do not have a profile on this application. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the Markets tab, we have the Square tab, and we also have the Buy, Sell, Convert, and the Deposit. We also have the Discover tab and the Portfolio tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change phone number on Binance. First of all, you need to go and log into Binance and navigate to security. So visit the Binance website, click on Login, and enter your account details. Once logged in, click the profile icon in the top navigation bar and select Security, which you can do by clicking on the phone top left corner and click on your icon here. Now when you did that, you just need to go and click on your, of course, security, where guys, as you can see, you'll have a lot of things to change here. So you have your passkey, authenticator app, email, and password. Of course, logically, what you'll need to go and click on is, guys, of course, you'll need to go and find your phone number, which is in other account details and activities, which you can go and see here, which you can see pay PIN and the phone number. And you just need to click on it, and there you can change it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.